This is my Mawhai with the post-assessment adjustments made to it to complete, I guess, my picture of where I've been this year in my journey. Um, it's really exciting to see that, yes, I have actually felt like I've really learned something over that time. I think there's been times where I could have perhaps improved more if I'd been able to put more time, energy, effort, able to access the resources or the people that I needed at certain times when I needed them. Always a bit of a challenge to be able to do all of that. Um, but as you can see, each domain has made a significant, I think, a significant improvement, especially in those areas that were already my strengths around both professional relationships and um, professional learning. Um, that's where I think there's been a lot of focus in there, and then of course over around design for learning as well, in the CERTS model, and building my own understanding and then being able to share that with others through both workshops, um, and also within a community practice, which I'm really hoping to continue through next year. The areas that I felt that maybe could have had more improvement, although I did see a steady improvement in myself, was around te tere te o waitangi. A lot of that is actually about confidence. I think it's always a learning journey. It's not going to be completed this year. I'm never going to reach be at 10, but I always feel like I'm progressing and moving forward, both in my understanding and in my practice as well. The two areas that I perhaps struggled more in this year were around teaching and learning focused culture. And this was probably due to capacity. Both of those sections were very reliant on others being available, and on resources being available when I needed them. And that didn't always work out within the time frames that I had set. So there was need for some adaptation in terms of the portfolio of work, but in terms of my own thinking and practice, I still felt like I have learned a lot and grown a lot with that and tried some new things as well, which has been great. Overall, looking forward, there's some key areas that I want to keep focusing on, and those are really around that strength-based area, around those professional relationships, professional learning, design for learning. I really want to continue with the workshops and building others' capacity. I want to build my own confidence and capacity, especially around using CERTS in my practice, and using it in an ongoing way, not just in terms of assessment, but also within the ongoing planning. And so that's a real next step for me, and probably a real direction for me to keep taking. I'm really excited about some of those things that I've learned and really excited to be taking it forward in the future. Anyway, this is, I guess, my story for this year. I've really enjoyed the challenge, as much as it's been a real challenge just to keep going towards the end with all of the other stresses of life getting in the way. It's been a real learning journey for me, and I'm taking into 2019 a real wealth of knowledge and information and experience that can only be built on, and that's really awesome. Thank you.